Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable last-minute Valentine's Day gift. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is take my mini Bowdabra and some Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm just going to cut it, fold it in half, lay this down into my mini, and then just tuck the ends underneath. Then what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra scrunchy ribbon, and we're just going to make a little scrunchy bow. So this is just going to get, all we're doing is just feeding it into the Bowdabra so it just scrunches right down. Then what I'm going to do is take my bow wire, and I'll just pull this through my slip knot, pull it tight, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and this is just going to be some fill in our little bag. So we'll just do that, and let me knot it. And one of the cool things about the scrunchy ribbon is it's great for filler, it's great for wrapping, and it also makes adorable bows. So we're just going to take this, and we're just going to put this into our little bag and just kind of lay it in. Put that down a little bit. There we go. So now we have our cute little flower in the bottom. Then I'm going to take my candies. We're just going to put these little heart candies. I think I got them at the Dollar Tree. And we also have these little bags that you can pick up at the dollar store. So this is a great gift for school, for teachers, for kids. Or just for your neighbor or your Valentine. And then now what I'm going to do is just put this aside, and I'm going to take some more Bowdabra bow wire, and whoops, if I can cut it, and then I'm just going to fold it in half. Now we get a lot of requests as to where to purchase the Bowdabra bow wire. You can purchase it at bowdabra.com or on amazon.com. So now, or at Hobby Lobby. So now I'm just going to lay this through and just take, these are just literally scraps of ribbon that are just have a red theme. So I can just put them in and mix and match. And it's another question that I have for you is, let me know where you're watching from, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now I'm just going to twist this, bring this in, fold it over. And the reason that I twist is because that way I have the right side of the ribbon, it was on the outside of the loop. So I'll fold that, and then I'm just going to make a little loop here to finish it off. So that's going to be my little like button loop in the middle. And I'll take my Bowdabra wand and just scrunch that down in here. And take my ends, and again, I'm just going to pull it through the slip knot. And every Monday we do a Facebook Live, and we'd love for you to join us at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Central, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. And we do give away like rolls of ribbon and Bowdabra scrunchy ribbon on our lives. So definitely join us there. And you can always watch the replays on YouTube. Or on Facebook if you can't make the live. So now we're just going to shape out our bow and take my little bag here, and I'm just going to, I could have actually put this in the Bowdabra, but I didn't think about it till after I made the bow. So I'm just going to tie this. All right, let's do this a little bit simpler here. So I'm just going to tie a knot here. I have to do it standing up. I wanted to do it so you could see me, but unfortunately, and then just to make it easy for whoever receives this beautiful little Valentine's Day gift, I'm going to just tie a little bow here. And then you have, let's puff this out here. You have this adorable little Valentine's gift that was super simple to make and only costs about $1, about $1.50 or $2. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.